Hey, it's Mark here at Bill of Rights. I am heading down to that creek place that I fish, and I'm going to see what it looks like. Hopefully the water is way down by now, and I may be fishing in a new spot on it that's right under the bridge because it's been raining here. So I'm hoping the water's up some, and that way I can just stay under the bridge and cast out, you know, from the top of the bridge. Speaking of it, I didn't grab my I'm headed back to the house to get my rod holders. The ones I use out here I can stick in the sand. It's those deep ones, and they're a must-have today. Alright, I think I got everything I need this time. Had to run back and get those fishing rod holders. And I'm heading down, and I'm getting close. I'm gonna take a look at it from on the top of the bridge before I head down to see what it looks like. You know, it's up still, but that sandbar that I fished looks like it's really clean. It's up above the wood. If I can get down there, this is gonna be good.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Looks like we got us a good little channel cat there. That's a good little start. Alright, let's turn you. You can go back and grow up. Finally caught me a catfish on my creek spot again. Oh yeah, that'll keep me coming back. Well, it is really nice out here today. You know, with the cloud cover, it's not so hot because I can tell if the sun come out, it's going to be kind of beaming down on me, but it's going to stay cloudy enough. I'm only going to fish probably till 1 o'clock. It's probably about 9:30 or 10 now. But I already struck blood with that one cat on that new rod. I'm glad to do that. And we'll just see if we can get some more. You know, there's a lot of spare time goes on out here waiting between bites for a fish, and every once in a while I'll get to thinking how lucky I am to get to observe all this and enjoy this, because it's so peaceful out here, you know, and quiet and solitude out in nature, and then, you know, sitting there with the anticipation that you might catch a nice fish, having to keep an eye on those rods. But you know, I won't be here forever to do this, or even have the physical ability to get to this spot very much longer. Hopefully I can do it another few years, but boy, this old river changes quite a bit. Every time we have these big floods, new trees are knocked down, accesses are getting difficult. Boy, getting in here now, you have to walk through some of that hay grass as tall as me with all that equipment. I hope to catch a fish to make it worth it, but boy, once I'm down here and on there just watching them lines, it is a blast. Just take it in. Oh yeah.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.